Hey y'all, I'm making burger sauce today. Everybody knows what a burger sauce is. There's, you know, the Big Mac sauce, there's like a Russian dressing. Some restaurants have like their secret sauce. Today is the coming together of my homemade mayo, my homemade pickled onions into a beautiful burger sauce. You'll see how these two things come together beautifully with other ingredients. I don't eat as many pickles as like I wish I did. You know what I mean? One pickle, you wanna mince it up as small as possible. You can always use some relish. This is actually looking like too much, so half a dill pickle. I'm probably gonna use the other half in an egg salad. So now I'm gonna do just a little bunch of my quick pickled onions, and I'm gonna dice that up too. The smaller the bits, the better. Look at those beautiful colors. I'm going to add in my beautiful homemade mayo that I'm so proud of, that was like so easy to make and like really nothing to be proud of. This is so pretty. It's like the prettiest burger sauce. Okay, now it's like no longer pretty. That I would say is a really good base. Paprika, garlic, onion, a bit of salt and pepper. I was debating between Dijon and Keen's. I think this is too strong. We're gonna go with this. So I'm gonna do about a tablespoon of this. Okay, I'm just gonna sneak a little taste. Really good. I think it's pretty good. It's pretty perfect. Guys, it's just like Big Mac sauce, but it's better, yeah. I think it's actually perfect. Now let's try it on a burger. Okay, I'm so proud of myself. I made the mayo from scratch. I made the pickled onions, the quick pickled onions myself. This sauce has come together beautifully. I can't wait to eat my burger. Hope you enjoy it as much as I am. Okay, I'm actually gonna like just dive right in here. It's actually really good on fries too. It's not just a burger sauce. Yeah, this is like the sequel to my burger video. If you haven't checked that out, check it out now. Or after this, not right now. Now watch this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button. Later.